Bashir Bajwa on the right. This is the local tea shop. The gentleman with the beard was another officer of the guest house. He is seen with his children. We are now seeing Maulana J.D. Shams distributing prizes to young children. This scene was taken in Masjid Nur, the mosque in which our second Khalifa was elected in 1914. Maulana Shams was Imam of the London Mosque for 10 years, and during that period he never returned to his homeland. A great sacrifice on his part. Now he has several sons who are missionaries in different parts of the world. We are now seeing Maulvi Zahur Hussain, missionary who was sent to Russia, where he was imprisoned for 2 years. And Ahmadi from the northwest frontier. And an Ahmadi water carrier. This is a narrow street in Qadian, and now we are seeing the same street with very many more people in it on account of the numerous refugees who entered the town at the time of partition, when disturbances were going on all around the town. Another Indian aeroplane come to see what is going on in Qadian. We are now seeing Hazrat Sher Ali Saab, who has been described as an angel. He translated much of the Holy Quran into English.